Good morning friends, my name is Harsh Kumar from the 10th H. In this video we will make a beautiful greeting card for the Mother's Day from the waste material. Like as I have taken 4 cards, 3 white sheet of paper, scissor, glue and scale and pen for marking and black chart paper also for the decoration. So let's start our video. I have taken red card for making this greeting card. I will paste that white sheet to just and that white sheet of paper over on it. You can see I have pasted the white paper and then I have pasted the black paper to just show the white margin or white border, and I have pasted the temporary white paper inside that card, and the internal work will be due now. I have taken a white sheet of paper, mark 2 cm from that side and mark 2 cm from that side and make a line of 4 cm. And then cut it. Now I have cut that line and it will be look like this. Fold it. And then it will be look like this. Now you can see it will be look like this. Now make a 2 cm margin again and 2 cm from there and cut it and that in that side and make a line of 4 cm. 4 cm again. Between 4 cm you have to take. Sorry, only 3.5. 3.5 is enough for this. So I have taken 3.5. If you want to take 4, so you can. But I have taken 3.5. Now cut it. And fold that one also, and it will look like this from outside, and from inside it will look like this. Now make a 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters from there. I have marked 4 cm from that side and 4 cm from that side, and make a 3 cm and make a line of 3 cm. And then just cut it. And fold this one also, and it will be look like this. From outside it will be look like this, and from inside it will look like this. Now you can see our greeting is about to ready. It will be just paste it there, and we will do just decorate. Now I have cut a font that we have to paste it there, and that if you want you can. I have just draw this painting and then cut it. I have cut it and then you can paste it. It is totally about your choice. You can do it is upon you only. So let's paste that into over on this. Now you can see I have pasted that paper over on the card and that letter also, and that is the additional flower. You can see my profile. In that video I have just told how to make that type of flower, and I have just paste and do such type of editing on that greeting card. Now you can see it is looking so beautiful. Now you can see like this. You can see it is looking so beautiful. Now we will do decoration with the card. Now I have cutted that design for the outside decoration, and you can see it is looking so beautiful, and that design also. And I have cutted several types of hearts and then cut it from the middle to just decorate the outside of the greeting card. And butterfly also I have cutted. You can see that they are also looking so beautiful. Then there is a time to just paste it over on that card. Now the time is to cut that type of heart from that paper. So we will cut the heart. Now we have cut various types of heart of black color. Now the time is to cut the heart of the yellow color. Now we will decorate the greeting card from that hearts and butterflies outside and inside, so that it can be look more pretty. Now you can see I have pasted a flower, as in such a manner I have pasted the flower inside the card, and I have also pasted the butterfly at here, and inside the card I have make a design like this and paste a flower at there, and make a similar design at here also. That now it is looking so beautiful. That now our card is ready. You can see. Now our card is ready. Thank you.